See question number 11. If 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 plus 3x is less than or equal to 4x plus 2, express it as a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, and then state the value of a and b. So first start. Question number 11. 5x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x less than or equal to 4x plus 2. So if you calculate this first two part, 5x minus 3x, that is less than or equal to 5 plus 3, 2x is less than or equal to 5 plus 3 means 8, x less than or equal to 4. Now if you consider this two part, you will get 5 plus 3x is less than or equal to 4x plus 2. 3x minus 4x less than or equal to minus 5 plus 2. So minus x is less than or equal to minus 3. Okay. Now if you write it, so the range is 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Okay, so a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. Okay, that will be the answer. Now see question number 12. Solve the following inequation and graph the solution set on the number line. 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2, that is less than or equal to 3x plus 5. X belongs to R. So question number 12. And x plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. X belongs to R. Now 2x minus this part, 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. So it will become 2x minus x, that is less than 2 plus 3. So x is less than 5. And the next part, see this part, x plus 2, that is less than or equal to 3x plus 5. So if you transfer all the variable one side, you will get x minus 3x is less than or equal to 5 minus 2 minus 2x less than or equal to 3. Now so minus x less than or equal to 3 by 2. Now if you change symbol in case of both side, you will get x that is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That means minus 1 and a 1 by 2. So if you write it, you will get minus 1 and a 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x less than 5. So if you draw it, minus 1 and a 1 by 2, that will be this part. Okay, and here it will be a darkened circle, and this is less than plus 5. So this will be our range. See, this one is minus 1 and a 1 by 2. That's why in between minus 2 and minus 1, there will be minus 1 and a 1 by 2. Now see the question number 13. Solve and graph the solution set of number 1. 2x minus 9 is less than 7 and 3x plus 9, that is less than or equal to 25. X belongs to R. Okay. 2x minus 9 is less than 7. That means 2x is less than 9 plus 7. That means 2x is less than 9 plus 7 means 16. That means x is less than 8. Okay. Now and 3x plus 9 is less than or equal to 25. That means 3x is less than or equal to 25 minus 9. That means 3x is less than or equal now x is less than or equal to 16 by 3. See, there is and, that means both, you have to consider both. Now x is less than 8 and x is less than or equal to 6, 5 and a 1 by 3. Okay, now 5 and a 1 by 3, 5 and a 1 by 3, that is less than 8, so you have to consider this one. So x is less than or equal to 5 and 1 by 3. মানে এটা বললেই এটা হচ্ছে, মানে আমরা যদি এটাকে কনসিডার করি, এই এক্সগুলো সেই সব এক্সগুলোকে কনসিডার করছি যেগুলো 5 and 1/3 এর থেকে ছোট, সমান এবং ছোট, তার মানে সেগুলো তো অলরেডি 8 এর থেকে ছোটই। যেহেতু 5 and 1/3 দ্যাট ইজ লেস দ্যান 8, তাই এইটাকেই আমাদের কনসিডার করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, এইবার এটাকে যদি আমরা সলিউশন সেটের গ্রাফে লিখি, গ্রাফে লিখলে কি হবে? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now see, 5 and 1/3, that means 5 and 1/3. If you divide it in 3 equal parts and you will take this one, so this will be 5 and 1/3. Okay, now x less than or equal to, so darken circle and this entire part. Okay, this entire part. This entire part will be under consideration. Okay, now see the second part of this question. Question number 2, same region, 2x minus 9 less than or equal to, here less than or equal to 7, that means it will become less than or equal to, and the last part, that is 3x plus 9, that is greater than 25. So this will change to greater than symbol. So if you change this to greater than symbol, you will get x greater than 5 and a 1/3, right? So 5 and a 1/3 is less than x and less than or equal to 8, because if you consider less than or equal to for this term, you will get this. Okay, and then you will get this range. See, another thing here mentioned that in case of this question 13(2), okay, see this question, x belongs to I, so x belongs to I and this is I means integer number, and 5 and a 1/3, that is not an integer number, so you have to consider integer number after that. Okay, so 6, 7 and 8 will be the answer. Okay, understood? Now question number 3 under 13. See the question, x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4 into x minus 1 and 3 minus 2x less than -7, x belongs to R. Now if we proceed this part, see, x plus 5, that is greater than or equal to 4x minus 4. Now if you put all the constant part in this side, 5 plus 4, 9 is greater than or equal to 3x. That implies if you divide both sides by 3, x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, now this and that, so from here you can get 3 minus 2x is less than minus 7. So if you transfer this one to this side and this one to this side, what will happen? 3 plus 7 is less than 2x, right? So that means 10 is less than 2x. Now if you divide both sides by 2, you will get 5 is less than x. Okay, now see this, x less than 3 and x is greater than 5, and in between these two range there is and, that means এই দুটোই হবে কোন জায়গার জন্য, কিন্তু এই দুটো কি একসাথে হওয়া সম্ভব? 3 এর থেকে 5 বড়, x 5 এর থেকে বড় হবে, আবার x 3 এর থেকে ছোট হবে, এই দুটো একসাথে কখনো সম্ভব নয়, তাই x belongs to empty set. Okay, x belongs to empty set. Now question number 14. Question number 14. In that case এইখানে আমরা রিজিয়নটা ড্র করতে পারতাম, এইটার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা রিজিয়ন ড্র করতে পারতাম যদি এটা অর থাকতো, অ্যান্ডের জায়গায় অর থাকতো, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা রিজিয়নটা ড্র করতে পারতাম, কিন্তু এখানে পারলাম না, তার কারণ এখানে অ্যান্ড আছে, দুটো একসাথে সম্ভব না। ওকে, নাও question number 14. Question number 14. Solve and graph the solution set of 3x minus 2 greater than 19 or 3 minus 2x that is greater than or equal to minus 7. X belongs to R. Now from this 3x is greater than 19 plus 2, that is 21. So x is greater than 7, or 3 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 2x. That means 10 is greater than or equal to 2x. That means 5 is greater than or equal to x. Now this or this, or means union, right? So 7 এর থেকে বড় সেই জায়গা, আর x 5 এর থেকে ছোট, তো এই রিজিয়নটাকে যদি আমরা ড্র করি তাহলে কেমন কি আসবে? সি x is greater than 7, so this region, and x is less than or equal to 5, so this region. See, there is or, that's why we can draw the graph. Okay, যদি এখানেও অ্যান্ড থাকতো তাহলেও কিন্তু আমরা এটার সলিউশন কিছু পেতাম না। Next question, question number 15. See the question. The diagram represent two inequation A and B on real number line. A is this one and B is this one. Okay, now write down A and B in set builder notation. Okay, and represent, okay, first A equal to, see the picture, A is x belongs to R such that minus 2 less or equal to x less than 5, and B x belongs to R such that minus 4 less or equal to x less than 3. Okay. Now see, this is the set builder notation. See this picture. Here they are considering this x equal to minus 2 point, and they are not considering x equal to 5. And here they are considering x equal to minus 4 but not considering 3. Okay, so that's why minus 2 is less or equal to x less than 5 and minus 4 less or equal to x less than 3. Now this is answer of question number 1. Now see question number 2. See, you have to represent A intersection B and A intersection B complement. Now A intersection B, what it means? A intersection B. A intersection B means the point that remains in A and B. Okay. So the common point. So here see x equal to minus 2, that is the point of A and B also. Okay. But not before that portion, this portion minus 4 to minus 2, this portion is part of B but not part of A, right? Now this minus 2, from this minus 2 including that point x equal to minus 2, see this x equal to 3, that point x equal to 3 is not included in B but included in A, so you have to omit that point. Okay, so you can write like this. First you can write like this: x belongs to R such that minus 2 less or equal to x, because they minus x equal to minus 2 is present in both the cases, both the set A and B. Okay, now x equal to 3, that is present in A but not in B, so you have to exclude that point. Okay, now if you draw this, it will be like this part and this part. Okay, so it will be like this, or else you can draw in this way. Okay, in this format. Okay, now next part, A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. B complement means the set that is complement to B. That means the element that is present in B that is not present in B complement. Okay, that is not present in B complement. So what will be the range? First try to understand what is the region of B complement. B complement means x less than minus 4 and x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 3, that portion. Now you have to intersect with A, set A. That means this part. This part will be our region. Okay, that means you have to consider x equal to 3 but you can't consider x equal to 5. So it will become, see this one, if you denote it, it will be like this: 3 less than or equal to x, because you have to consider 3. Okay, x equal to 3, but it is less than 5. Okay, so if you draw, it will be like this. This is the region. Okay, understood? Question number 16. See, there are two regions. A is x such that minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 5x belongs to R, and B is x such that minus 4 is less than or equal to x less than 3 and x belongs to R. So First try to understand. See, that means x is greater than minus 1 but less than or equal to 5. So here minus 1 is excluded, x equal to minus 1 is excluded, x equal to 5 is included, but here minus 4 is included but 3 is excluded. Okay, now you have to find out A intersection B, that means the common point, common portion. Now see, minus 4 is less than minus 1. Okay, so here you can consider minus 1 to 3, okay, because 3 is less than 5, right? But see minutely, minus 1 is not included in this region and 3 is not included this region. So you cannot include this two end point. So it will be this one, minus 1 less than x minus 3. Common region টাকে বের করতে হবে। এবার কমন রিজিয়নের মধ্যে যদি x ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1টাও না থাকে, থাকবে না, তার কারণ এতে নেই, x ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1টা এতে নেই, তাই কমন পয়েন্টে থাকবে না। আবার x ইকুয়াল টু 3 বিতে নেই, এতে আছে কিন্তু বিতে নেই, তাই তাদের মাঝের পোর্শনটা থাকছে কিন্তু সেই দুটো এন্ড পয়েন্ট থাকছে না। Understood? Now in case of second part, A complement intersection B. A complement মানে কি, x that is less than or equal to minus 1 সেই পোর্শনটা আর x greater than 5 সেই পোর্শনটা। এবার এর সাথে যদি ইন্টারসেকশন করা হয় b কে, তাহলে কোন পার্টটাকে নেব? এইখানের পার্টটা থাকবে মাইনাস 4, যদি এই পয়েন্টটা যদি মাইনাস 4 হয়, লেটস ড্র ইট, এই পয়েন্টটা যদি মাইনাস 4 হয়, মাইনাস 3 এটা, মাইনাস 2 এটা, মাইনাস 1 এটা। ওকে, নাও সি, এক্স লেস দ্যান অর ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1, এই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে আন্ডার কনসিডারেশন বিকজ ইট ইজ এ কমপ্লিমেন্ট নিয়েছে এখানে। এ কমপ্লিমেন্ট মিনস এক্স লেস অর ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1, ঠিক আছে? এক্স লেস অর ইকুয়াল টু মাইনাস 1 মানে এই রিজিয়নটা পুরোটা থাকছে, এই পোর্শনটা। ওকে, দিস পার্ট অ্যান্ড বি এর সাথে ইন্টারসেকশন করা হচ্ছে, তো মাইনাস 4 থেকে বড় হবে, তো মাইনাস 4কে ইনক্লুড করতে হবে, এখানে মাইনাস 1কেও ইনক্লুড করতে হবে। ওকে, সো ইট উইল বিকাম x such that minus 4 less or equal to x less or equal to minus 1, x belongs to R. Okay, now question, see the question, represent on different number lines. So you have to draw the number line. In case of first one, if you draw it will be like this, and in case of this will be our region. Okay, now question number 3 under 16. See, a minus b, you have to find a minus b. A minus b means the point that lies on a but not in b. Okay, so you have to cut down this part, so that means you have to consider after 3. Okay, so x greater than 3 or equal to 3, so you have to consider this 3, x equal to 3 and x less or equal to 5. Okay, so it will be 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to R. Okay, so if you draw that will be the answer. Now see question number 17. Find the range of values of x which satisfy this inequality. Graph in each of the following case the value of x on different real number lines. Okay. So there are different replacement set. Okay, and according to that replacement set you have to find out the solution set and you have to represent it on number line. Okay, so first simplify the expression. If you simplify it, x by 2 first one, question number 1 under 17, x belongs to whole number set. X belongs to whole number set, that means solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, not 7 because there is strict inequality. Number 2, x belongs to z. So there you need to include the negative number, negative integer. And the last one is x belongs to R. X belongs to R. X such that x belongs to R such that x minus 4 is less than or equal to x less than 7. This video, draw the number line in case of this, this and that. Okay, this is your homework. Okay. See question number 18. A equal to x such that minus 8 less than 5x plus 2 less than or equal to 17. Okay. Comma x belongs to I. First find out this range. Minus 8 less than 5x plus 2 less than or equal to 17. That means minus 8 minus 2 less than 5x less than or equal to 17 minus 2. So it will become minus 10 less than 5x less than or equal to 15. Minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 3. Okay. Now see the region. So the set will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Since x now B. Now you have to represent A and B in two different number line. Now see, in case of set A, now in case of set A, if you draw the number line, it will be like this. This will be our range, and in case of B, see this one means 3 and a 1 by 3. Now if you draw, suppose this is minus 3, this is 3 and this is 4, okay. So there will be this point 3 and a 1 by 3, and there will be a hollow circle, and this in this will be our region. Okay, now they asked you to find out A intersection B. A intersection B, why this? See, in case of A, there is only the discrete point, and in case of B, there is the entire real number portion. Okay, continuous line is there. So A সেটে আমাদের শুধুমাত্র x ইকুয়াল টু -1, x ইকুয়াল টু 0, x ইকুয়াল টু 1, x ইকুয়াল টু 2, x ইকুয়াল টু 3 এই 5টা পয়েন্ট আছে। আর x ইকুয়াল টু বিতে আমাদের পুরো কন্টিনিউয়াস একটা রিজিয়ন রয়েছে, সেই রিজিয়নের মধ্যে এই পয়েন্টগুলোও ইনক্লুডেড। যেহেতু 3.1/3 এর থেকে ছোট, তার মানে 3 পয়েন্টটাও কিন্তু ইনক্লুডেড, তাই এটাই হয়ে যাবে আমাদের রিজিয়ন। ওকে, okay, now question number 19, you have to solve the inequation first and then you have to represent it on number line. See the inequation, 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11. So if you start with this portion, 2x minus 5 that is less than or equal to 5x plus 4, 5x minus 2x that is greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 4. So it will become plus 3x greater than or equal to minus 9. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Now this two part, 5x plus 4 less than 11. So 5x less than 11 minus 4, that is 7. Now this 7 by 5 means 1 and a 2 by 5. So if you draw, there will be some point 1 and a 2 by 5 hollow circle there, and you have to join it. Oh, sorry, no need to join it because there is see the replacement set, see এরকম ভুল কিন্তু তোমরাও করবে, রিপ্লেসমেন্ট সেটটা যদি না দেখতে পাও তাহলে কিন্তু তোমরা ভুল আনসার দিয়ে আসবে। ওকে, তো x belongs to I, so you have to first you find out the solution set. -3 you have to consider this, -2 -1 0 1, and that is the thing. Okay, 1. Okay, so this one, that one, this one and this one. This discrete point you have to, not this one. Okay, if I'm going to draw it again. Zero, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. This 5 point will be the answer. Okay, now question number 20, last one. Given that x belongs to I. Okay, given, that is given. Now you have to solve 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3. Another part is, I'm separating that part initially. Okay, so this will be like this. Now do this part. 3 is greater than or equal to, now this will be 6. 3x minus 12 plus 2x. So 3 into 6. 5x minus 12. 30 greater than or equal to 5x. That means 6 greater than or equal to x. From this part you got this one. Now this part. See. This is, as you know from here, 5x minus 12 by 6. Right? That is greater than or equal to 2. That means 5x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 12. 5x is greater than or equal to 24. So x is greater than or equal to 24 by 5. That means 4 and a 4 by 5. So 4 and a 4 by 5 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6, and x belongs to I. Don't forget it. So you have to include that 5, x equal to 5 and 6. Okay. So you can easily draw this graph. I am not going to draw this graph. You can do this in your home. Okay. So this was our last problem.